sing with the birds again? Me too! But first, let's sing our hello song. So follow me and stand up.
Follow me, it's as easy as can be. Follow me, 1, 2, 3, clap your hands, spin around, bend your knees, touch the ground. Follow me, it's as easy as can be. Follow me, 1, 2, 3, wiggle your fingers, tippy-toe, stretch up high, wave hello. Follow me, it's as easy as can be. Follow me, 1, 2, 3, flap your arms like a bird, stomp your feet, tap your back, take a seat.
Could you flap your arms like a bird? Great job! The birds can fly because they have wings. What else do they have? Let's sing a song and remember it together. Can you hear?
Hey, look!
Look, they're flying in the air. It looks like a bird. Look, high, soaring through the sky. It might be a bird.
Oh no, because
Birds have beaks. Birds can sing. They got lots and lots of feathers on their wings. Look, they're flying in the air. It must be a bird. Move your arms like a bird. Make your wings. Move your arms like a bird. Let's fly. Now sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now move your arms like a bird. Sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now move and sing like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now move and sing like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Birds have beaks. Birds can sing. They've got lots and lots of feathers on their wings. They're flying in the air. It must be a bird. Oh, look! There is a bird by this window. Let's get closer to this window and try and see more birds passing by. Can you listen to the birds singing? Look, there is one by my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. Bluebird, bluebird through my window. I love learning colors. through my window. I love learning colors. Green bird through my window. Green bird through my window. Green bird through my window. I love learning colors. Blackbird through my window. Blackbird through my window. Blackbird through my window. I love learning colors. I love learning colors.
Don't you?
Could you see all those beautiful and colorful birds passing by the window? Now, let's see them closer and talk about their colors and names. So the first one was the bluebird. This bluebird is the Brazilian macaw or blue arara. So beautiful, right? The other one was the red bird. The name of this bird is Brazilian tanager. It's super red, right? The other bird was the yellow bird. The name of this yellow bird is Great Kiskadee. So cute, right? The next one is green. This is the green parrot or Brazilian parrot. Beautiful, it's green color, right? And the last bird we saw passing by the window was the blackbird. This is the toucan. It's big, it's super long, right? And this is why we know these are all birds, because they have beaks, wings, and they can sing. The birds are so beautiful, right? And if you look through your window, I can bet you can see or hear a bird. As I told you, all the birds have wings, but not all of them can fly. The ducks are birds that can't fly. However, they have wings like all the other birds. Now, let's play by the hills with these beautiful ducklings. Do you remember the song? So let's sing it together. Let's count how many ducklings we have here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 ducklings, and they are going to play by the hills. Let's sing the song. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 duckling is lost. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 3 ducks came back. Now there are 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 ducklings. Three little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only two ducks came back. Now there are only two. One, two. Two little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only one duck came back. Look, guys, now there is one. There is only one duckling. One little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but none of the ducks came back. Oh my gosh, guys, no ducklings came back. Now Mama duck is very sad, and she's going to look for her ducklings. Let's go over the hill and help Mama duck. Sad Mama duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Sad Mama duck said quack, 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 and all of the ducks came back. Look, guys, they are all back. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the 5 ducklings are back, and Mama duck can be happy. Could you remember the 5 Little Ducks song? Great job! Now, all these birds are going to rest in their nests because our time is up. This was our last YouTube class about birds. But I will see you later so we can sing and play a little bit more with our birds. So, see you later, alligator, bye, 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 butterfly, see you